Hey class, in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to proceed with the screen reviews and what do you have to do to accomplish that. I've changed the schedule and I'll go over that in another video, another email, but this is just a video to show you what you're going to do so far. So let me share my screen. All right, now that I have my screen here, so first things first, you're going to have access to this document. And it looks very confusing, but it's very easy. If your name is on this side, you're going to create a Zoom meeting. Everybody should download Zoom if you don't have it. It's a little complicated because if we do more than 3 people in a room, it's only limited to 40 minutes. But for this exercise, it's fine, and it's only going to be 2 people in the room. So this is for April 20th. So Samantha, Brianna, Brian, Lorraine, Barrett, Mahima, Mindas. Sorry, guys, your name starts first. You're going to have to create a Zoom link, and I'm going to show you guys what to do there. I have to use screenshots because I can't show you the Zoom. So first thing is when you open Zoom, you're going to create new meeting. And then when you see that, you're going to get this option here. If you're in my class that starts at 2:50, you have to, they don't break down the meetings by that time. So you have to do it from 2:30 to 4:30. If you're in my section that starts at 4:30, you're going to do it from 4:30 to 6. Disregard this 40-minute thing. It won't affect us. It's only going to be 2 people in a room each. Make sure that the both host and participants' cameras are on. Schedule. Once you schedule that meeting, you're going to go back to this page. You're going to click up in the top to meetings. And once you get to that, you're going to see it there, the April 20th meeting. You should name it the speed review session. Although the title doesn't really matter. Once you have that, you're going to go in. You're going to see Zoom meeting. You're going to copy that link. And going back to the spreadsheet, you're going to paste that there. It's going to be almost like a regular class time, so you have to be ready 2:50 to 3:05. If somebody doesn't show up, it's going to mess everything up. If you anticipate problems, I can cut you out and work something out with you. I know people were having issues, but this is not going to work if you don't show up because one person is going to be empty, talking to themselves. So for Nicholas, when it's 2:50, he's going to pick on Samantha's Zoom link. They're going to join the meeting, and you have to have your project links ready. You're going to share it over the chat, share the links, spend time looking at it 15 minutes, just like we would do in class, very quickly. Everybody has to have a project link. If you're doing a multimedia website, if you're doing a video, you should have a YouTube link, what you have so far. If you're doing an infographic, you should have a shareable link. If these things are not shareable, you're going to mess up the whole flow and you're going to lose points. You should open all your projects and everything in a new incognito window, which I'll go over in the other video as well, why you should do that. So Nicholas and Samantha, they're going to trade projects. They're going to look at it. They're going to comment with each other. Boom. At 3:05, you're going to cut. Nicholas is going to leave. He's going to click on Brianna's link for another 15 minutes. So the people on this side, you're fine. You don't have to do anything. The people on the other side, they have to click on the link every 15 minutes, and you'll see the schedule here. If you're in my other section, then there's going to be a different chart, obviously, and I'll have that ready for you by the time this video is posted. Everybody on this side needs to post links. Everybody has to have a link available for this. Again, there's no excuse. Well, there is excuses. Obviously, understand what's going on with the COVID-19 if you need some extra time. If you can't do this assignment for whatever reason, we'll work something out. But everybody needs to provide a link here. I'm giving you guys an extra week, as you'll see in another email and video, to get working on the projects because it doesn't seem that even half the class is ready for this for the following week on the 13th or whatever it is next week. So this is what you got to do, and I'm going to check it, and it should be done Sunday. Sunday, 11:59 p.m. These people on the side should have a Zoom link in there, if not sooner. And I will email you and bother you if you don't. Any questions, email me.